Okay, so this is the room tour of room 19402 in the Atlantis the Palm. And it is called a Regal suite. So when you come in, you've got a mirror here. Some lovely artwork here. And it looks like there is a bathroom here. I'm trying to get the lights on. Here we go. So you've got a bathroom here when you first come in. So you've got a full toilet, towels, bin, soap and lotion, tissues and a glass. I love this like pattern. We had this in our other room. Got the artwork and the light. Then in here is like a closet area. So you can like hang coats or jackets, probably good for like storing your luggage as well. It's bigger than it looks. And you go through here, and this is the main area. So the connecting room is just through here. So this is the main living space. So you've got a full dining room table, seat 6. You've got a desk area. You've got a full living area. There's like a full bath, like a little mini bathroom there, and a cloakroom. Then on this side here, this is like, it's like a laundry room. I have no idea what's even in here. So these just seem to be empty drawers. What's in here? Storage under the sink. Yeah, well, all these drawers are empty at the moment. What's in here? This cupboard space. This door, our door key actually works for this door as well. So we can use our door to actually come in this door as well. Yeah, so there's nothing in these cupboards, it's just, oh, there is in here. So you've got all cups and glasses in this one, making drinks with. It's huge. And this is the connecting room. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. And the lights. And you've got this over here, which is like a study area. Oh, we had one of those in our old rooms. Pop up. Socket. Oh, that was loud. I don't know if these open. Oh, they do, yeah. More storage in there. Gosh, they're huge. My gosh. Storage space. Wow. Look at the lamps and the artwork. It's gorgeous. There's even another cupboard here. Same again. And that's back to where I started there. And you've got a lovely mirror here. That is actually Aunt and Matilda outside on the balcony. You can just see them there. Look at that. Look at the balcony. And then this is the, this will be a sofa bed that will be pulled out and turned down for Matilda. And then this is like the seating area, the TV. And then it looks like this closes off. Yeah, that closes off, which makes it into its own kind of bedroom area then. And you've got all cupboards here underneath the TV. Again, just all, not that one. One more storage under there. And again, this will close off here. She'll shut that into its own bedroom. So that now has been turned off into its bedroom area in there. And here is where like the bar area is, and like sink and another area. So you've got a sink under there. I think this is where like the mini fridges and things. Let's have a look. Yeah, so here's your mini fridge, same as in the other one. All automated. But there is space for you to put your own stuff. And there's lots of drawers here. 3 decent sized drawers. More cupboards. Another big cupboard there. And here you've got, wow, look at this. Got lots more choice in this one. Full big Nespresso machine here. We didn't have that in the other one. What's in here? Full wine glasses and things in there. Ooh. And then in here you've got ice bucket in your kettle. And then the same, water's free. These are the minibar items, you pay for these. And I'm gonna go through here now, which I sectioned off before. And this is actually the bedroom area. So this is the master bedroom. But I just sectioned it off from the living room. Have you seen? You pull these across, yeah, and it sections it off. So if I pull those off across like that, then Matilda will have her own area in there tonight, and we will be in here. There's a double TV on this side, so we have a TV in here, and Matilda has the TV on the other side. So this is the master bed. You have drawers either side. So it's the same drawers as in the other one. 2 nice deep drawers, lamp, light fittings and fixtures here. Look at how big the bed is. It's a huge bed. Same on this side, but then you also have this whole sofa area here. Look at the artwork again. Another window to view outside. This whole sofa area is all in your bedroom. And then again, you've got all the cabinets here. Gorgeous artwork here. And then again here, if you wanted, you can shut these doors as well. And it becomes a completely concealed private space. So then I've just closed off all of the doors there now. So everything becomes a nice private space like that now. So in here is your own ensuite bathroom. The bath is actually in the middle of the bathroom. It is amazing. Got your own chair. This is amazing. So it's double sinks. Don't have to share anymore. So the same in the last one. I think the amenities will be roughly the same. Oh, slightly different. You've got Colgate and a hairbrush out of a bamboo comb. What's in here? That's the same. This is new. We didn't have this in the other one. Body lotion. Little mirrors there in this one. And then the same towels and bath stuff. And then here, we didn't have this in the other one either. This is what I was saying about how there was no things by the bath. So you have shampoo, hair conditioner and shower gel, a perfumed bar of soap, and then here you've got a giant bath sponge as well. And then this is cool. This is like the taps are here for the bath. And then again, there's another sink here. The same amenities in here, I think. Yep. Same amenities in there. And then you have your shower in here, which is a really big shower. Like I can go in and walk right round here in the shower. You've got little minis in this one. So you don't have the pump in this one, you have the minis. But the shower, you've got a hanging rail in the shower. That's how big it is. So you've got your big rainfall here. And then you've got your separate mini one there. So the door obviously only opens so far, but it's it's like a big square shower there. Got some more gorgeous artwork. And then opposite the shower is your toilet. You've got your little toilet in here. And again, you have these in a lot of them. So you can answer your door, control volume, guest service is an emergency. That's in all of the toilets. And then in here, my God, it just goes on again. You have your own walk-in closet. Look at this. So not only do you get slippers in this one, you also get Atlantis flip-flops. So you get flip-flops. We've got another bag. Not sure what this is. I'm not seeing that. I'll open that up in a minute. That is like, oh, that's nice. We've got like a drawstring bag there. That's nice. Put like wet clothes in. Lots of hanging space. Got robes here. Look at this beautiful mirror. And we've got an ironing board. Then we've got slippers here. I've got the lint roller with a laundry bag. And we've got a safe. I'm assuming there's going to be a hairdryer here somewhere because we didn't have a hairdryer. I found the hairdryer in those ones. But this is really good for sitting and doing your makeup and doing your hair because there was not really anywhere in the last one where you could sit and do your hair. Yeah, so we've got the same hairdryer as they have in the Royal. This is the gold hairdryer. They have these in the Atlantis the Royal. And they've got more big deep drawers. Gorgeous little light here as well. It's beautiful, that. Lovely light. So like I said, this is just the closet. You could actually just sleep in here. You could easily just put a blow-up bed in here. It's huge. Absolutely huge. And like I said, everything can be sectioned off. Gorgeous little chair there. It's beautiful, look at that. So that is, oh, that's not my tour finished because I've not been outside, have I? So let me go out here. Just realised I've not been outside. Oh, Mal, look at this. This is Matilda's sofa bed. Oh my gosh, Matilda, you could literally lie there and watch that huge TV. And the TV's on both sides, so we both get a TV. But what I'm saying is like the sofa doesn't take up much space. There's still two big chairs here. Then there's still the whole dining room table and there's still all the desk area over there. So even if someone was sleeping here, especially Matilda because she sleeps like a log, anybody could come in here and do whatever they want because Matilda basically wouldn't wake up because she never does.
I won't wake up if there's an earthquake.
I mean, I think if someone was watching TV, it might disturb her, but you could easily come and get on that balcony and it would not bother her. So let's have a look at the balcony. Oh, the way you can change the lights as well. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is me tomorrow when it's not too hot. Look at these. So you get two sun lounges. So you get one sun lounger here with a little table, another sun lounger here. Oh my gosh, what are they doing on the beach down there? There's all like lights.
Yeah, they do like torches and stuff.
Another sun lounger here with our own little towels. This is just amazing. I love things like this. And plus what I like is that it's under the cover, so like when the sun's obviously coming through, you'll get some sun, but then you'll also be shaded. So you could sit out here when it's not, the sun's not shining on you, and you'll get a lovely shaded area. So you've got like the living room area through that. I have to turn the lights out now. That's like the study desk and the table. Matilda's bedroom in there. And then we've got our bedroom just through the window there. And then this is the view. I don't know what's happening down there, but look at that. That looks gorgeous on the beach down there. Like someone's having their own little private ceremony or something. That looks beautiful. So we're still really high up. It looks very misty out at the moment. So we're actually a couple of floors below where we was, even though we still look really high up. We've still got a gorgeous view. Look at this. This view is amazing. So this is the 19th floor, the Regal suite at the Atlantis the Palm. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up and a like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video.